To set up your AML Assured connection, you'll go into the Engine section of Locked On and scroll down to your integrations and select View All. Once in the integrations, you will go down to the AML Assured and hit Configure, and this will give your office a label. It is preset. You are able to change this if you would like. You can then hit the Connect to AML Assured, and if you already have AML Assured and you are logged in as the owner of your Locked On account, it will match your profile email to the existing AML Assured account to set up the connection. We click the Connect option. This will open up a new page to complete your CRM connection. You will need to sign in to continue with your AML email and password to finish the connection. Once you have signed in with your AML email and password, it will ask you to connect to your CRM. It will find your email and then bring up the accounts that you are linked to in the link to an existing organization area. If you see your office there, simply select it and hit continue, and this will then connect the AML account to your Locked On account. Once you have finished your connection to your AML account, you'll come to Engine, Integrations, and you'll be able to see AML Assured is now connected. You will now have to manage your users, and if you have selling agents in your office and you have not set them up in your AML Assured account yet, you will need to invite them by selecting the Invite option. If your users are already set up in AML Assured, simply hit Invite for them to be connected to the AML Assured profile they have set up. Once you have all of your users invited and connected, you'll be ready to start your KYC and KYB checks from Locked On for AML Assured.